Yo, what's up, everyone? It's currently Thursday, July 17th, 8:46, and today's bias is bullish again. Why is that? We have this 4 hour just got inversed, and then we have now an upwards trend on the 4 hour. 1 hour, we tapped into this fair value gap, swept into the 4 hour, and now we're continuing up. And we have London and Asia above here still, which honestly will probably get taken out before market opens or at market open. But yeah, we inversed here. Well, we're gonna inverse here. We only got 12 minutes left. And then on the 15-minute, same thing. Swept here. We swept the 4 hour, inverse, and strong pressure upwards. Good displacement here. And even just another quick little thing. We already took out data, lows and highs, but we're keeping that uptrend up here. Honestly, we're going to take them out pre-market. If we do take them out pre-market, then targets would be these Tuesday PM highs and all-time highs. But yes, I'm still bullish, especially because we're operating so close to all-time highs. And these are for sure going to get taken because if we look on ES over here, excuse me, on the 15-minute, I seen that London and Asia were equal high, so for sure they're just going to get taken. And then we got to see what either we dump from there and our bias flips to where we take out London low or Asia low, or we just continue up to PM highs. So I'll see you when market opens. All right, market opens in 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna hit that data low. That's baby girl. See you do your dance. Let me see. That data low is the go off open. Just had a big sell off. I thought we were just gonna come take out this data low quite easy and simple. I already took it out on NQ. Really uncorrelated right now. I thought ES would have come taking those data lows. If this SMT holds, I'm gonna just hope we sweep London and trace back up to the upside off of like a 2 or 3. Nah, 2 minutes too big. Maybe a 1 minute. Do we have ABS too? No, we do not. We just have straight fucking dump. So SMT's holding strong. This would have been the play right here. Let's see. Just forward testing it. Yeah. Did we get that? No, we didn't. Internal SMT right here. I mean, ES is still holding high. Got this 3 minute right here. We had this 5, but too much displacement probably gonna come through this. Look at ES right now. This motherfucker is ripping, bro. I mean, if we close, if they don't displace that much, I'm not mad at it. Let me see something right here. Yeah. This joint just displaced too much for me to take it fully. Why do I feel like this 3 minute probably played out? Ah, this is ABS too, damn. So first presented today did play out. Where's it at? This is no. This was first presented. I mean, at first I liked it, but we missed the inverse by a tick. And then we did get it, I believe, on here because it's equal. And yeah, it would have been a lot of drawdown, but we would have smacked full TP. For me personally. It's alright. Let's look at this 5 now. Let's look how it plays out. ES is fucking ripping, bro. No high. SMT at the high, not yet, but we're about to. 16.75. Yep, we got it high now. It just displays too much for me to even get my entry. I don't want to enter all the way up here. That's cooked. I'm not interested in entering all the way in West Bumblefuck. That is the whole move. What do I enter? 25 points. 25 points too late. It ain't gonna cut it. Ain't gonna cut it. Both of these SMTs are holding. We got the parallelogram. The parallelogram. I don't even know what it's called. Yeah, parallelogram. Parallelogram. Damn, like, yo, I'm really a fucking math petition. Ain't shit going on, bro. We had that. That's all that was there. Straight dump, straight pump. Nothing really impressed me. There's still a SMT. Nope, not no more. SMT has been broken. No more parallelogram. We're about to take these PM highs now. So we're going for these PM highs. Do we have a 5 minute left anywhere for a pullback? No, we don't. This could have been the pullback right here, but we didn't get shit. So we're cooked. No entry to the PM highs. Because it would have came back into here. IVG out of this. PM highs would have been. Sites right here. Bang. Bang, that would have been it. Damn, I wanted this inverse after we swept, but hopefully we just get a pullback instead. A little pullback into some. Leave this. What do we have? Do we have a 15 anywhere? Leave this 15. Pullback into here. PM highs. All-time highs. 15 left. Pullback. IFVG out. Smack work. Watch. That's on the way soon. Shh. Watch. That's on the way soon. And oh damn, we're dumping. Oh my gosh, I wanted to see this kind of an inverse. Not inverse, I'm sorry. I wanted to see this kind of a pullback after, bro. Not now. We still have SMT with those PM highs. This is a pullback I wanted after we left the fair value gap type. You know what I mean? But oh no, Bobby. We're not going to get it ever. Let's just see what it'd be like. PM. This is probably... I believe it. Is that 15-minute close? No, 2 more minutes. I want to see us keep dumping because we also have equal highs up here too. That's good. I want to see this 15-minute finish out. We retrace into it. But I want to hold around here, retrace into it, get something out. There we go. We're staying in a good range. I would love to retest this and then continue to PM highs. Oh, but this wick is kind of... This is funky dunky. Let's dump down. Dump down, leave a fair value, Gert. Kurt McDan followed me back on TikTok. Kurt McDan just followed me the fuck back, bro. Kurt McFucking-Dan, bro. Yo. Shout out you. Come on. Go down. Oh, damn. We're not getting a fair value gap out of that. Yeah. We're cooked. There's still always hope. Got this 2-minute right here. Now we needed to Now we needed the. We need this. Oh, it's a good dump, I guess. I mean, not really. I kind of fucks with my stop loss would have been. Yeah, now we're fucking cooked. Damn, the 5 minutes looking pretty shit to be long in. Okay. Close bullish at least. Only fucking problem I'm having with it is that we keep going lower, so like the RR is not. Oh my god, yeah, nah. That's look at this fucking stop loss, but it would be the biggest fucking 1-to-1 ever. The biggest fucking 1-to-1 ever. No mas. This trade's cooked. Like it just wouldn't give me the risk to reward needed, and we're just trading too far away from the actual IVG we'd want for my personal preference. Yeah, no, this ain't gonna cut it. If I took it to all-time highs, it'd be the only way. But I just want PM highs. I'm not trying to be too greedy. Yeah, we're fucking dumping anyways. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, now that's cooked. Oh my god! Oh, crazy 1-to-1! And now we get it, right? Oh, we even tapped this lower 15. No, that was from before. Silly boy. Silly fucking boy. We tapped the lowest 5. No. The RR isn't there for me. Fuck it. Taking all my practice. Whatever this practice should do. Just to see. Alright, so this would have been. I just don't like this part of it really. Like, cause I wanted PM highs, so the risk to reward with this just wouldn't have. I like at least 2-to-1, 1.5 though, whatever, you know what I mean. But yeah, the risk to reward on this just wasn't cutting it. Wow, bro, this is gonna probably play out, dude. It's probably gonna play out the all-time highs. Watch. Let's just. I got that shit on the practice account. That shit's smacking right now. I would have risked half of this. Break even once it goes above here. But I do not want to see it. If this closes, I don't want to see a retest down here. Oh shit. Fat ass 1-to-1 is the only thing that fucking played out. This bullshit. Oh shit, wait, it's up here. Sorry. Big wobble ass 1-to-1. Oh damn, we are shooting for those all-time highs though. Damn, I wish we could have pulled back into this 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my fucking goodness. I wish we could have pulled into the 5. Damn, ES hasn't done shit, bro. I didn't even peep. ES genuinely hasn't done shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, it's gonna be probably where we about have to call it for today. I mean, always hope. We don't have another 5 minute left behind. Unless we leave a 5 here. Like, going up. Hold up. I have to take a pee-pee. Alright, so what I want to see now, it's about my last hope for the day, is 5 minute. 5 minute right here. And we just, I'm sorry. Alright, so what I want to see, hopefully, the last hope of the day, leave this 5 minute, retrace into it, inverse out, 34 points to all-time highs, so that'd probably be like this. That's all that I'm my last hope, right before my trading window is closed, which is 9:30 to 11, but like, I'll extend it to like 11:05. For the culture, I'll do it. Ah, shit. Did we tap into it though? There we go. We still got 5 minutes. What's the 2 looking like? Damn. And now we're just rejecting off. Oh my goodness. Damn, I kind of wanted to see us get an inverse out of that, but it doesn't look at all like we are going to. It just looks like we're just going to tap it. Continue higher to all-time highs. Fuck, bitch. Got this fucking cooked ass My Funded Futures from CPI that I might just fucking full port it in this trade. I don't know. I doubt it. Too much of a bitch to do that. I'm pussy nuggets to be doing that shit. Should I just do it? I don't know. I be a bitch sometimes, bro. I be a bitch when it comes to shit like that. And that's it. That's 11 o'clock. That means my window is no trades today. It's all good. I'll get back after I, go to the gym, shower, eat, do all that stuff to like let it all settle down, and give it a little PTC post trade clarity. All right, see you. All right, quick little comeback. But like, this was like a discretionary ass trade idea that I had, and I was showing it at the end. But tap into the 5 minute FVG out. We basically inverse this one as well on the FVG. I didn't take it though. Why? Cause I'm a little bitch. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, but I would have just full ported this account because as you can see, the drawdown is fucking cooked. But yeah, we would have full smack worked and we made new all-time highs. So, yep. It don't matter because I didn't take it. All right. PTC, post-trade clarity. Today, I'm here with Joe Sav. Make sure you guys check him out. Check out his music for sure. He just dropped the album. Make sure you check that out. Remember, sun says don't last forever. But all right, post trade clarity. Today we took no trades. Bullish bias coming into the day. That played out perfectly as we can see. Throughout the day, I kind of thought we would have taken out PM highs and maybe shorted, but that never played out. And I had this slight thought of that. Thankfully, we never even looked into that. I don't know why I was even thinking that, especially being so close to all-time highs. But I'm not mad at today. First presented didn't get inversed right away, and I didn't take that. We had the SMT there, and we had the ABS with the first presented, but I didn't take that. We had another retrace one right here. Did not enter displacement. It was, I believe this was the 5 minute one from earlier today. One of these was the 5 minute one. Maybe this was the 5. This was the 5 minute one, right? Yeah, the 5 minute came right off of like where first presented was there. I was thinking it was up here. But yeah, this one just displaced too much because I originally was going to target either this buy side or like PM highs around there. And this just displaced so much where I couldn't get a valid entry because if we look like 20 some points, 30 points away. So that's why. And I wonder why. Oh yeah, we just didn't get a fair value gap after the retest. So really no entries today. But one thing I did want to go back over was this trade that I seen at the end. Let me pull it up on this monitor. This one I didn't take. My account's already fucking cooked if we look at it because the dumbass CPI bullshit got me slippage. Fuck that shit. But yeah, this one I was gonna go in and just throw the rest of the account on. I believe I have like $400 something in drawdown left. I think it was like 12 cons. Maybe 13. I don't know, it was 14. Yeah, it would have been like this or like this. One of those two. I think it was 15 cons, but I like this. It was a discretionary trade. But I didn't want to take it because it wasn't my model. But it was just a retest into a 5-minute good draw. Where's it at? Wherever all-time highs was. Oh, it was right here. I'm tripping. But yeah, it was a retest into the 5-minute. Right here. Inversed. The small ass 1 minute. Now that I look back, it actually looks better than I thought. But we had no SMT. Retrace, inverse. Well, I didn't see this inverse probably in due time. Damn. That's probably what it is. Oh well. But yeah, it was a fair value gap out of it. Basically like after the retest. So that would have put us in the entry. And I was just going to target all-time highs like this. Stop was like at the bottom of the 5-minute. So yeah, this would have been the trade. But I didn't take it because I don't know why I didn't see that inverse. But it's all good. You know, you live and you learn. Overall today, not mad at not taking any trades. It was this first presented one that was the main entry, but we didn't completely get it. We missed it by like a tick and then got it eventually after. We had the 5-minute that displaced too much higher. We had a 2-minute right here. That's what it was. It was a 2-minute, but I didn't enter because it was shit RR. The RR on it was shit. I would have had to place like, instead of my stop loss being at the wick, it would have had to be at the body. And it was pretty shit RR. So overall today, not mad at not taking a trade. Just discipline. I need to continue being disciplined. And it'll pay off. I'm only 2 months in, so I'm like, we're like in weeks. What's 2 months? We're like in week 9 from learning from like scratch. So it's all good. It'll come to me soon. Yo, chill. But yeah, all good. That's it. I'm not mad at anything that happened today. Nothing bothers me. I'm not regretting anything. I'm not regretting any decisions, which is what matters. You know, just let it go. Even if I lost, like the other day I lost, I was chilling. I was just mad about that CPI. It still fucks CPI to the day I die. You might have to put me on the track. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.